Hey guys, today I'm going to tell you how to change Android screen color back to normal on Android phone. If you're using an Android phone and now you want to change your Android screen colors back to normal, so let's see how can do this. You can see I have an issue of my screen colors, so now I'm going to fix it up. So you just have to open your phone settings. In settings, you have to go for main settings. In main settings, you have to look for shortcuts and accessibility. And here, just look for accessibility option. Here you have to look for motion and colors, something like this. You just have to tab on it. And here select color correction. You can see it has been enabled. You must have to disable the setting. But if you won't get the setting, you have to go back, go to main settings, search for color correction. Just search for this one and tab on it. And here you have to disable the settings, and after that your screen colors will be changed back to the normal. So that's how you can easily change your Android screen colors back to normal. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until the next video, bye bye.